Kaggle is the world's largest community of data science. It offers a lot of opportunities for data scientists and machine learners to learn new techniques or to join competitions on the platform. There are many competitions on Kaggle. Deepfake detection challenge over $1 million to the winner. Google Cloud and NCAA have also organized competitions using NCAA men and NCAA women's data with reward $25,000 to each of the winners. What we are going to do is to join the competition and use the data it provides to learn data visualization with Python. We will start with Titanic machine learning from disaster. First of all, you have to click Join Competition button, which I cannot show you here as I have already joined the competition. So, what is the challenge about? The sinking of the Titanic is one of the most infamous shipwrecks in history. On April 15, 1912, during her maiden voyage, the widely considered unsinkable RMS Titanic sank after colliding with an iceberg. Unfortunately, there weren't enough lifeboats for everyone on board, resulting in a death of 1,502 out of 2,224 passengers and crew. While there was some element of luck involving in surviving, it seems some groups of people were more likely to survive than others. In this challenge, you were asked to build a predictive model that answers the question, what sorts of people were more likely to survive? Using passenger data, that is name, age, gender, socioeconomic class, etc. We will first take a look at the data. So the data has been split into two groups, the training set and the test set. The main difference between the training set and the test set is that the training set gives you an extra information on whether the person survived. We need to predict this in the test set. We will only focus on the training set in this video, as our aim is to learn data visualization. So we will investigate the relationship with each feature and the survival. We will now go through the data dictionary and try to understand the meaning of each variable. Survival means survival. 0 means no, not survived. 1 means yes, survive. P class means passenger class or ticket class. 1 means first class, 2 means second class, 3 means third class. Sex is sex. Age is age in years. The variable SIBSP stands for the number of siblings or spouses aboard the Titanic. The variable PARCH stands for the numbers of parents or children aboard the Titanic. Ticket means ticket numbered. Fare means the passenger fare. Cabin means cabin numbered. Embarked means port of embarkation. C stands for Chevron. Q stands for Queenstown. S stands for Southampton. So we are ready to start. Click Notebooks and New Notebook. So select language, we'll choose Python and then we'll choose a notebook, so create. Your notebook is now ready. Let's change the name to Learn Data Visualization. There are already some codes for you to start. If you have already learned Python, they are no stranger to you. But if it is your first time, I understand that it would be overwhelming. Don't worry, as the notebook has already written it for you. So it has import NumPy as well as pandas for data analysis. Here I will import more functions and package for visualizing data. You can also copy them for your future use. I have also included print setup complete here. This sentence will be shown after we have run the codes. So we run the codes. Setup complete. Our next step is to read the data and store it in the variable train data. I click Add Code. So this gives me the space for writing new codes. Comment, read data and store in train data. Things after the hashtag will not be run by the computer, but it reminds us what we are doing. So train data is equal to, I use the data frame panda to read the CSV file. It's from Kaggle, import Titanic train.csv. Right now I have loaded the data into train data and I want to check if it is right. So I tried train data.head to read the data of the first few lines. So I run the code. The first passenger did not survive. He was in the third ticket class, and here is his name and his age. He has either one sibling or spouse. He does not have parents or children going aboard on Titanic. This is his ticket number and this is the fare that he paid. We do not know his cabin number and then he was embarked on Southampton. In the next video, we will explore the relationship between all these features and the variable survived.